4 unusual reasons why some people consider cosmetic dentistry for better health. When most people think of cosmetic dentistry, the first thing that usually pops into their heads is aesthetic procedures like porcelain veneers, teeth whitening, and smile makeovers. Those indeed are procedures that keep cosmetic dentists booming in business. But did you know that cosmetic dentists do much more than make teeth aesthetically pleasing to the eye? In fact, cosmetic dentists actually specialize in treatments that can improve a patient's overall health. The health of your teeth, mouth, and gums are directly linked to health conditions like sleep apnea, gum disease, and grinding or clenching your teeth. From the perspective of a dentist, your oral cavity is like a window to your body's overall health. As odd as it may sound, dentists can do oral screenings and exams to find underlying issues that can lead to other health problems. Being able to find these oral issues will allow you to follow up with other doctors and to think your other health issues can be solved all with a simple trip to the dentist. There was actually a young boy in Katy, Texas who was thought to be nonverbal, but a trip to the dentist changed his entire life. For so many years of his young life, Mason Motts went to speech therapy because his parents thought he was nonverbal. But upon going to the dentist, it was discovered that he wasn't nonverbal at all. He was just unable to speak or tongue-tied. The condition being tongue-tied is medically known as a condition called ankyglossia. In everyone's mouth, there's a short, thick tissue at the bottom of your tongue's tip that connects your tongue to the floor of your mouth that restricts the tongue's ability to move. With ankyglossia, it's an incomplete separation. The dentist performed a 3-minute procedure to untie Mason's tongue and fully recovered in 7 hours, allowing him to speak clearly without any issues. The story of Mason Motts wasn't necessarily a cosmetic procedure, but it is a true testament that finding a dentist can change your life. But in the world of cosmetic dentistry, your life can be changed in more ways than one. If you're experiencing any of these health conditions, it might be time to schedule an appointment with a cosmetic dentist. You're probably wondering how sleep apnea is related to cosmetic dentistry, right? Well, sleep apnea happens when the oxygen level in your blood decreases to a point where you can stop breathing while you sleep for at least 10 seconds. That can be quite scary. There's also a condition called obstructive sleep apnea, and that's where there's a physical blockage of your airwaves. The blockage of your airwaves will prevent you from sleeping well, and it's during sleep when your body repairs itself. Your body not being able to do this can cause serious health problems. There's actually been a link between periodontal disease and airway resistance, and when patients experience this, they typically turn to oral devices as first lines of treatment for obstructive sleep apnea. Cosmetic dentists will advise their patients to find a cosmetic dentist who's experienced in treating temporomandibular joint (TMJ) and dental occlusion when receiving sleep apnea treatment by way of oral devices. Your teeth aren't the only factor that make a healthy smile. Your gums play an important role as well. People who have receding gums, it's usually because they have periodontal disease or tooth loss. A cosmetic dentist can help in this area. What a lot of people don't realize is that these health conditions have been linked to gum disease. People also don't realize that the plaque you see on your teeth is the same plaque that can clog your arteries as well. For some reason, going to the dentist is always at the bottom of people's to-do list. But when the bacteria from your mouth enters your bloodstream, it can cause all kinds of health problems. Visiting a cosmetic dentist for laser gum treatment will definitely improve the health of your mouth and smile. Bruxism is the tendency to clench or grind your teeth. This is a terrible habit for the health of your teeth. It can wear down and misalign your bite and lead to other oral problems. There's no real cause or explanation of teeth clenching or grinding, but studies have shown that stress could be a contributing factor, as well as sleep apnea, according to the Mayo Clinic. There are devices that can be worn to fit the mouth of a patient who's experiencing this issue. These devices protect your teeth and minimize stress on the jaw muscles. If you grind or clench your teeth, whether you're asleep or awake, you need to visit your local cosmetic dentist to see what types of options are available to you. The world is filled with stories going viral every single day. But how many of these sites can you actually follow? We understand that your day should start with positive stories, stories that resonate with you. And so we started JoJo Stories. Our mission is to create meaningful stories that cover everything from animals to anthropology, history to environment and lifestyle. The kind of content you read on our site will be one you'll want to share with your family and friends. We hope you'll join our growing family and be part of our community. Welcome to JoJo Stories, JoJoStories.com.